into the off season, and it happens quickly.
It just feels like the movie Groundhog Day, though, over and over and over and over.
No, it's disappointing once again, for sure. It'll change.
Settling in, though. It will.
Change.
Right.
Speaking of Groundhog Day, it has snowed every day this month. It just keeps snowing and snowing and snowing.
This afternoon, right here at the station.
That's right. And guess what? More flakes are in our future.
Oh, wow.
How about that? I know that's a surprise. Let's look live here at Super Doppler and Satellite, and we did have a few snow squalls that came on through parts of the southern tier here in the last hour or so. You can see we're zooming in here on Franklinville and Java, and also out towards the Boston Hills, and picking up on some snow here too, right along I-86. All of this is moving southeast, so stand by here out towards Wellsville for a bit of snow. But here in Buffalo, I think we're going to get a little bit of a break over the course of the next hour or so. Officially, just about a quarter of an inch of snow at the airport, so we're now up to 27.2 inches for the month. So we have a surplus for January, but we actually have a deficit for the season. Many other spots, though, had a lot more. Arcade, about 2.5 inches. Stafford, 1.5 inches, and Springville had a little bit less than 1/2 inch. So hour by hour we go here. The theme is cold. Temperatures are going to be tumbling back into the teens, and when you factor in a little bit of that wind, it's going to feel all the colder. But the winds will start to diminish as we head into the overnight. But it doesn't take much of a breeze on top of that temperature to get in on some pretty low wind chills. It'll feel like 1 in Warsaw around 10 o'clock tonight. It'll feel like 7 in Orchard Park. And when you wake up tomorrow morning, cold, shaking in our boots, feeling like it's 0 in Warsaw in the morning. We still have those winter weather advisories that are up for areas south of Buffalo. That will expire within the next hour or so. How much more snow will we see between now and, say, tomorrow morning? Well, in Lancaster, maybe about 3/10 inch. Amherst, about 3/10 inch. Into southern Erie County we go, and about 1/4 inch maybe in Springville, maybe 1/10 inch in Orchard Park, and into the Chautauqua Ridge area, we're talking about maybe about 1.6 inches in Stockton. Right now, 25 degrees. A few flakes are flying. The feel like temperature is at 13, so you got to bundle up if you're heading out and about this evening. It feels like it's in the teens. Some spots already feels like it is in the single digits. So still dealing with some lake flakiness. A little connection trying to be made here off of Georgian Bay to the Lake Ontario band, but that stays far away from us. We should see a few of these flakes returning off to the north as we head into later tonight, but won't amount to much. Tomorrow we'll actually see a little bit of sunshine, which will be nice, and the temperatures into the afternoon will be into the low 30s. Not too tough to take. So again, the call for tonight, blustery colder, a few flakes, the low 16. 33 is what we muster from the Mercury in Lockport, 33 in Pendleton, 31 should do it in Clarence, and there is that super 7-day forecast. Next system to watch actually is not just snow, a little bit of rain. Temperatures will be near 40 degrees. Saturday, a shot of chill, 23, but at least we'll see some sun. Next system to watch comes in with rain and wet snow for the end of the weekend and early next week, and then it gets colder again for the middle of the week.
Yeah, and speaking of snow, you have something to tell us about snowflakes.
Because we haven't talked enough about snow.
No, I want to hear more.
I agree.
Please.
Let's do some more.
Yes, in this week's edition of Josh's Weather Academy, I examine the anatomy of a snowflake.